everybody, this is the GoPro Hero 7. I'm testing out the stabilization. It's on auto at 1080p 30. We're gonna see if we can try to catch the sunset before it goes down, so let's get it. And yeah, 4K in 30 frames a second. This camera is known to kind of turn off after 10 minutes because the battery heats up. But 4K at 30, I hope this will export. We are in wide view and we're here at Bonneville Junior High School. I don't know if you guys can see the mountains. I'm gonna switch over to super view right now. Okay, now we are in 4K 30 super view. As you guys can see, there's the mountains. There's the freaking sun setting. I don't know if you guys can tell. And I'm holding the camera about 3 feet, no, actually no, like 2 feet away. Yeah, but this is super view, 4K 30. Now I'm holding the camera about 4 feet, maybe 3.5 feet. Hopefully you can hear me, guys. This is the GoPro Hero 7, 4K 30 frames a second, super view mode. Check out this, it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. This is 1080p 30 in linear view, point of view. You're gonna see that I'm gonna try to zoom in towards the mountain and it's gonna look really cool. I think the stabilization is turned on. I'm holding the camera pretty close to my chest instead of just letting it dangle around. There it is though, there's the fetching mountain. I don't know if you guys can see the mountain right there. Okay, this is still 1080p 30 frames a second. It's at wide view. I'm currently walking, my hand is stretched all the way out, so you'll probably be able to see my face up until my body or so. But it's gonna be a stabilization test. You guys see that beautiful view of the sun going down in the background? You can't really see it much, but now I'm gonna go on a light jog and you guys are gonna see how good this test is. Okay, so now I'm lightly jogging. My head's kind of nodding up and down. Hopefully it looks half decent. I don't know the settings for the stabilization. It just says auto. So I'm just guessing it's hypersmooth or hyperlapse 2.0. Yeah, hopefully it looks decent. Not as good as the Hero 8, but hopefully the audio sounds decent and the video stabilization sounds decent too. So yeah, that's a test. Peace. All right guys, you can also say this is a low light video test. I don't know if you can see me well, but I'm gonna turn on the flash. The max ISO on this is about 1600. And right now hopefully it's like 400 or 800. So one thing that I'm gonna test, that I'm gonna show you for this video, guys, is I'm trying to hit 10 to 20,000 steps. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm about 19. Okay, you couldn't see that. You're dieting down, you want to hit 15 to 20,000 steps because it's super crucial that you hit those steps so you can lose the weight quicker. It's equivalent to like losing 500 calories. So I'm gonna track my steps. I'm gonna hopefully get 15 to 20,000 steps every single day for about 14 days. So tomorrow's gonna start day 1 of this challenge. All right, everybody, so this is gonna be day zero of the challenge. The challenge to get 15 to 20,000 steps is gonna start tomorrow. I actually did just take a screenshot or a picture of my steps just to show that it's legit. And pretty much when you're dieting down, again, as I was saying, you want to get that 15 to 20,000 steps because it truly makes a difference, whether you're burning 400 to 500 calories difference. I'm really excited for this journey. It's going to kind of be like a little weight loss. I don't know if it's going to be a transformation type video, but it's going to be like an experiment. So
It's gonna be great, and I'll see you guys tomorrow to start the journey. Subscribe if you're new, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.